When I need to contact a teammate, I can quickly find the fastest way to get in touch by using their presence indicator. For instance, I've got a quick question for Garrett. So I select a message he sent me earlier and check his presence indicator to see if he can talk right now. His indicator is green, so it looks like he can. The presence statuses include available, busy, away, and do not disturb. Since Garrett's available, I select his picture to see the Skype for Business quick menu. From here, I can send Garrett an email, schedule a meeting with him, or start an IM conversation. I just have a quick question, so I select the IM button. I ask my question, and there's my answer. A little later, I have a few more questions for Garrett, but now he's giving a presentation, so his presence is set to Do Not Disturb. But my questions aren't urgent, so I just select his picture again and select the email button to send him a message he can read later.